Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain a common problem in a higher fully automatic front load washing machine. If your machine shows FC1 error, this usually appear when you turn the machine on. The machine starts filling water, but after some short time the system stop working and the FC1 error appear on the display. You can see FC1 error on display. Okay. Now let's understand why this problem happens. Okay. But first time again check. Okay. First of all, washing time select and then start. 15 to 20 minute. Okay. Okay. Time select normally 15. Okay. I select 15. Wash time and then start. One time again test try. Okay, 15 and start. Okay. Washing water inside filling. Okay, sometime wait and error FC1 higher front load auto. Okay, FC1 error. You can see now again FC1 error. FC1 error is mostly related to a PCB fault. Okay, this usually uh, occurs due to high voltage or low voltage. You can see 271 volt, very high volt. Normally volt to 20, 220, normally 230. Okay, so this voltage high voltage. Um, when the voltage fluctuation too much, it can damage the PCB board of the washing machine. Unfortunately, in most cases, this problem can't be repaired. The only proper solution is to replace the PCB board with a new one. But this higher this model, other model not. If you are facing this problem, you can contact a professional technician for proper inspection and PCB replacement. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe the Great Engineer YouTube channel. Goodbye.